We just arrived an hour ago here in the Dead Sea, the body of seawater in between Jordan and Israel. So we're on the Jordan side. We're on the Jordan side. Then we're trying to beat the cut-off time of 5 p.m. for dipping in the very salty water. You have Jordanians selling their horses, mga camels. Ayan, mga kabayo nila pang bayad. Ayan, tignan mo na. So according to our landlord, Airbnb landlord, the missiles of Iran is coming from this direction going to Israel. That area is already West Bank. You have camels sa harap natin. Very gentle animals, na. We have a couple of mga foreigners here trying beating the cut-off time of 5 p.m. kasi 5 p.m. daw yung last time to dip here. Sulit din pala nakahabol tayo kahit na paano. RJ is there.
Hello.
He will try to. Can he still float? The one, our companion.
Yeah.
Is it 5 p.m. No more.
What?
They said 5 p.m. No more swimming. It's okay lang.
Yeah, swimming. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At up to 5 p.m.
Afternoon, just here shower.
Hmm.
In water, see salty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very just here water, not salty.